Today, thousands of people just like you are already using BombBomb in their business. Why? Well, you know that you can't always win business on your products and services alone. Your clients choose you because of your ability to convey trust, build a relationship, and convince them they'll be in good hands with you. You have to convey your value quickly and early on to consistently win business. And this sometimes means also delivering on their privacy and security expectations, because the messages you send often do contain personal information and need to remain confidential. With BombBomb, you can add password protection to any of your videos to prevent unauthorized access to your messages. Password protection adds an additional layer of security to your videos, allowing you to share sensitive information with your recipients without worrying about any unintended views. Here's how it works. Just head over to your Videos tab, click on the share icon next to the video you'd like to protect with a password. Scroll down to Privacy Settings, select Link and Email to allow anyone with the video link to view your message, Lock Video to make your video accessible only to you, or Password Protection to ensure the video is only visible to people with the password you create. If you selected Password Protection, enter the password you want to use for the selected video and click Update. With BombBomb, you can use video to show your clients the human being behind the message and convey the trust, confidence, and helpfulness that sets you apart. Deliver a great customer experience that helps you connect while also protecting your clients' information with BombBomb password protected videos.